Okay, so I'm finally getting around to telling you how I would play Upwork. Now, a lot has changed since I posted my valuation video on Upwork. You see that in the past, it's been more than a week, but see, I think I posted the video a couple weeks ago, and the stock has gone up from $7.50 range all the way up to the $9 range. And earnings were reported yesterday, and initially in after hours it sold off, but then it bounced back today, so we're still at the $9 range. So obviously I like the stock much better at $7.50 than I do at $9, but if you remember from my video, I think the fair value for the stock after the analysis that I did in that video is about $14. Now, I always like to have a margin of safety when I buy a stock, and at $9 I still think that there's a good 20% plus margin of safety. So how I would trade this I would play this if I was not wanting to spend a lot of money or invest a lot of capital, is I would probably use an option. Now, I'm long shares. I also have a long option on this stock. I would go out to October, and I would probably at this point do the $10 call. Now, the nice thing about Upwork announcing earnings yesterday is that the price of options should come down because the implied volatility prior to options spikes, and then after earnings are announced, it comes down. So I would play this $10 option here, and we can look and see it's got a delta here of about 53. So you're getting the equivalent exposure of about 50 shares. So I like that. You can get that for $155, you can see. And if it does go up to 14, you get 50 times. We're probably about 5 away from there. At least $250 in profits, actually more because delta increases as the share price increases. If it goes down, you lose 150, so I like that risk reward ratio.